Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove object from your video on a CapCut. So the thing that you have to do now is just open your project, and here I already have one, and let's try to remove this object from this video. So the thing that we need to do, click this clip, and after that you need to scrolling these features into the left side until you found a duplicate, and then you just need to go click it, and you need to make this duplicate clip become an overlay by slide into the right side the features and go click this overlay. And whenever the second clip become an overlay, you need to drag it until the position of the overlay clip is just the same with the original one. And after that you need to click the overlay clip, and please make sure that you are looking for the mask features on this downside here. And whenever you found it, probably it will be make you easier whenever you use this rectangle shape. And after that you need to isolate the color for the sample of the video that we will take. So I will let to take this part. Okay, wait a minute. Right there. Okay, whenever you're done isolating the color of the samples, and now you just need to go click done. And now you just need to pinch with two of your finger while dragging into the specific part. Okay, my bad, I think I missed doing the mask. Yeah, I think I missed doing the mask. So yeah, right there. Okay, just go click done, pinch with two of your finger while dragging into the positions that you want to cover the object. Okay, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click random part, and here is the result. So that is the way how to remove the object on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.